Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Cazo is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of cookware you can add to your kitchen, offering a unique way to prepare a wide array of dishes, from slow-cooked stews and braises to perfectly seared meats and vegetables, all while retaining moisture and flavor unlike any other pot. Its distinctive shape and material allow for even heat distribution, making it ideal for a variety of cooking methods, ensuring that every meal you create is a culinary masterpiece, and it's a fantastic addition for anyone looking to elevate their home cooking experience. Number 5. HexClad Hybrid 1-Quart Saucepan. Meet the HexClad Hybrid 1-Quart Saucepan, your new go-to for everyday cooking. Its innovative design makes meal prep a breeze. This versatile pan is perfect for everything from sauces and gravies to reheating leftovers. Its compact size is ideal for single servings or small batches. Experience the best of both worlds with our unique hybrid technology. It offers a superior sear and effortless cleanup, thanks to its non-stick surface. Enjoy quick, even heating with its tri-ply construction and aluminum core. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and is built to last. Cleanup is a snap as it's dishwasher-friendly. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you endless cooking possibilities. We stand by our quality. Your purchase is backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects, ensuring peace of mind. What we like? This small saucepan is perfect for precise tasks. If you're looking to make sauces, reduce syrups, or reheat small portions, its compact size and even heating make it ideal. If you appreciate easy cleanup and versatility for everyday kitchen needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The Cazo is a versatile cooking pot that can be used for various purposes, from simmering sauces to deep frying. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the even heat distribution provides consistent cooking results. The Cazo's wide opening allows for easy stirring and access to food, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. Number 4. Kraiovim XL25 Stainless Steel Wok. Discover the Kraiovim XL Wok, your ultimate kitchen companion for authentic cooking. Its generous 5-quart capacity and heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensure durability and superior performance. Crafted from premium 1810 heavy-duty stainless steel, this wok is built to last. It's designed to handle all your culinary adventures with ease. Whether you're making carnitas, birria, tamales, barbacoa, or barbecue, this wok is perfect for deep frying. It excels at preparing a wide variety of dishes, including fried fish. Take your cooking outdoors with this versatile stainless steel wok. It's ideal for backyard BBQs and gatherings, providing ample space for large batches. With a 25-inch diameter and a 12.5-inch height, this wok offers plenty of room for cooking large quantities. The 16.5-inch bottom provides stability for all your culinary creations. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup as this wok is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your delicious meals. What we like? This extra-large wok is built for serious cooking. If you're preparing large batches of traditional dishes like carnitas or birria, or planning a big outdoor barbecue, its substantial size and durable construction are perfect. If you need a reliable workhorse for deep frying and outdoor feasts, this is your go-to. What people say. It worked perfectly. The material is perfect and of good quality. Appears sturdy and well-made. Number 3. Arc Stainless Steel 69 Cutie Mexican Cazo. Introducing the Arc Stainless Steel Mexican Cazo, a heavy-duty essential for your culinary adventures. Its robust construction ensures lasting durability and resistance to daily wear and tear. With a generous 69-quart capacity, this large pot can handle over 20 pounds of food. It's perfect for serving 10 to 15 people, making it ideal for gatherings. This pot is your perfect companion for all outdoor cooking needs. From backyard parties to tailgating, it's designed for authentic dishes like carnitas and more. Create delicious, authentic carnitas, mojarras, chicharrones, and quesadillas with ease. Its design is perfect for a variety of traditional recipes. Please note the bottom diameter is 16.45 inches. Measure your stove before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit for your cooking setup. What we like? This massive Cazo is designed for entertaining and authentic cooking. If you're hosting backyard parties or cooking for a crowd of 10 to 15 people, its huge capacity is unmatched. If you want to master authentic carnitas or other large-scale outdoor dishes, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Muy bueno para las tradicionales carnitas. Buena olla para freír carnitas tamales y más. Nice heavy-duty SS pot. If I need another one, I'll know what to purchase again. Number 2. Large 21 stainless steel Cazo for outdoor cooking. Introducing our large, heavy-duty Cazo, expertly crafted from durable stainless steel. Its robust construction is built to last through countless outdoor cooking sessions. Featuring a polished finish, this Cazo is specifically designed for outdoor use. It's ideal for pairing with a portable gas stove for convenient cooking. This versatile cooking vessel is perfect for a wide range of outdoor culinary tasks. Whether you're making carnitas, chicharrones, or fried pork, it handles it all with ease. With a top outside diameter of 21 inches and a height of 12 inches, it offers ample space. You can prepare large batches of your favorite dishes for gatherings or events. Built with high-quality stainless steel, this wok ensures excellent heat distribution and durability. It's a reliable choice for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. The polished stainless steel surface not only looks great but also makes cleaning a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. What we like. This heavy-duty wok is built for robust outdoor cooking. If you frequently engage in outdoor culinary adventures and need a reliable pot for frying various items like chicharrones or mojarras, this is a great option. If you're looking for a durable, large-capacity wok specifically for gas stoves and outdoor use, consider this. What people say. Heavy and well-made. I made 50 pounds of carnitas, no problem. So far the Cazo is great. The handles are awesome. It cleaned up very easily with Dawn soap. I love it because it's just the right size to make the amount of carnitas. Number 1. Cazo Stainless Steel Large 16 Heavy Duty. Take your culinary creations to the next level with this large, 16-inch round stainless steel wok. Its innovative design is perfect for a variety of dishes. Featuring a stay-cool handle, you can safely and comfortably maneuver and hold it during use. This ensures a secure cooking experience every time. Crafted from high-quality steel, it prevents any unwanted metallic taste from leaching into your food. Enjoy the pure, authentic flavors of your ingredients. This heavy-duty wok is ideal for carnitas or any outdoor dish. It provides everything you need to master your outdoor cooking adventures. Specifically designed for outdoor use, it pairs perfectly with a portable gas stove. Experience the convenience of professional-grade cooking wherever you go. With a 16-inch top diameter, 8-inch height, and 10-inch bottom diameter, it offers a generous cooking surface. This allows for ample space to prepare large batches of food. What we like. This 16-inch Cazo offers a great balance of size and usability for outdoor cooking. If you're looking for a durable option for carnitas or other outdoor dishes that's easy to handle thanks to its Stay Cool feature, this is a solid pick. If you want a quality steel wok designed for portable gas stoves without leaching flavors, this is a smart choice. What people say. It's a perfect size to cook carnitas for my family. I like these products because I can make Mexican carnitas and French fries very good and very easy to clean. We used this Cazo to make carnitas deep-fried pork. It works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.